Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let us solve one more problem which they might ask for 12 mark or 14 mark. So that a company has three production departments A, B and C and two service departments that is X and Y. The following figures are extracted from the book of the firm. So that in a company there are three production departments that is A, B and C. Next, there is one service department that is X and Y. So this much is there in a company. So what they are telling that is, so they have given floor space of each department, direct wages of each department, light points, horsepower of machines, value of machines, working hours, everything they have given. Then they have given even the expenses, lighting, depreciation, rent, indirect wages, power and others. They have given all this information. Next, they have even told us the percentage also in which we have to distribute the service department expenses. Then they have told us to even calculate the hourly rate of each department. Now first let us do the primary distribution. Primary distribution. So here in the first column we need to take item, then second column we need to do the basis, third column we need to do the total. Then we have three departments A, B and C department. Those are all our production departments. Then rupees symbol. Next we have X department and Y department, that is our service department. Now first always we need to do what? We need to just divide the direct wages, whatever the direct wages is there. First we need to always divide the direct wages only for service departments. So direct wages of X department, it is 900 rupees and Y department it is 700 rupees. 700 plus 900 is nothing but 1600. 1600. I should write here direct wages. It is 1600. It is the actuals. Next we have to take the expenses. First we are having depreciation. Depreciation will be charged on based on the value of machinery. So machine value we will charge the depreciation. Total depreciation expenses is 4000. Now we are apportionating the depreciation expenses. The total depreciation expenses is 4000 rupees and we will apportion it on the basis of value of machineries. Value of machines, we will apportion it the depreciation expenses. We have A department, B department, C department, X department and Y department. In A department the value of machinery is 12,000 and in B department the value of machinery is 16,000. In C department the value of machinery is 20,000. In X department it is 1,000 and Y department it is 1,000. Now we can easily cancel 3 zeros. It will be 12 is to 16 is to 20 is to 1 is to 1. Now when you add all this, it will be 12 plus 16 plus 20 plus 1 plus 1. It will be 50. So A department, B department, C department, X department and Y department. A department it will be 4000 into 12 by 50. B department it will be 4000 into 16 by 50. C it will be 4000 into 20 divided by 50. X department it will be 4000 into 1 divided by 50 and Y department it will be 4000 into 1 divided by 50. So 4000 into 12 divided by 50, it will be total 960 rupees. Next 4000 into 16 divided by 50, it will be 1280. Next 4000 into 20 divided by 50, it will be 1600. 4000 into 1 divided by 50 will be 80. Next 4000 into 1 divided by 50 will be 80. Now this amount we need to write over here. A column it is 960, B column it is 1280, C column it is 1600, X column it is 80 and Y column it is 80. Now next expenses we are having, that is lighting expenses. Now lighting expenses we need to distribute among the number of light points we are having. So the total lighting expenses is 240 rupees. Now let us apportionate this lighting expenses. Now this lighting expenses total it is 240. It will be based on the number of light points we have in each department. We have A department, B department, C department, X department and Y department. Now the number of light points in A department is 20, B department is 30, C department is 40, X department 20 and Y department 10. Now simply you cancel 1 1 0. It will be 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 2 is to 1. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. It will be 12. Total will be 12. So A department, B department, C department, X department and Y department. A department will be 240 into 2 by 12. B department it will be 240 into 3 by 12. C department it will be 240 into 4 by 12. X department it will be 240 into 2 by 12 and Y department will be 240 into 1 by 12. Now 240 into 2 divided by 12 it will be 40. 240 into 3 divided by 12 it will be 60 and 240 into 4 by 12 will be 80. Then 2 is 40, then it is 20. Now this amount we need to write it here. A department 40, B department 60, C department 80, X department 40 and Y department 20. Next we are having rent. Rent will be based on the floor space. Rent will be based on floor space. So total rent expenses are 2000. Now let us apportionate this rent expenses. So the rent expenses are totally it is 2000. So it is based on the floor space whatever we have. Based on that floor space we will going to apportion it. We have A department, B department, C department, X department and Y department. So A department floor spacing is 400 square feet, B department is 500, C department is 600, X department is 400, Y department is 100. Simply cancel 2 zeros. It will be 4 is to 5 is to 6 is to 4 is to 1. So 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 it will be 20. Total it will be 20. So A, B, C, X and Y. A it will be 2000 into 4 by 20. B it will be 2000 into 5 by 20. C it will be 2000 into 6 by 20. X it will be 2000 into 4 by 20. And Y also it will be 2000 into 1 by 20. Now 2000 into 4 divided by 20, it will be 400. Next this one will be 500, 600, 400 and 2000 into 1 divided by 20 will be 100. This amount we need to write here. A it is 400, B department it is 500, C department it is 600, X department is 400 and it is 100 is Y department. Next expenses what we are having indirect wages. Indirect wages. So the indirect wages will be distributed upon the proportion of direct wages. So the total indirect wages is 600. Now we have to divide this amount 600 rupees among the various departments. Now indirect wages. So the total indirect wages expenses is 600. That will be proportionated on the basis of direct wages. So we have A department, B department, C department, X department and Y department. A department direct wages is 900, B department is 600, C department is 900, X department is 900 and Y department is 700. Simply we can cancel 2 zeros. the ratio will be 9 is to 6 is to 9 is to 9 is to 7. When you add everything, it will be 40. So we have to distribute this 300 600 between various departments. So A department, it will be 600 into 9 by 40. B department, it will be 600 into 6 by 40. C department, it will be 600 into 9 by 40. X department, it will be 600 into 9 by 40. Y department will be 600 into 7 by 40. Now 600 into 9 divided by 40, it is 135. Next 600 into 6 divided by 40, it is 90. Next 600 into 9 divided by 40 will be 135. This is also 135. Next 600 into 7 divided by 40 will be 105. So this amount we have to write it over here. 135, 90, 135, 135 and 105. This is all about indirect wages. Next expenses we are having, that is power. So power will be based on the horsepower of machines. So horsepower of machines, we will distribute the power. Total power is 600. So now we need to proportionate this. So the power expenses is total 600. This will be based on horsepower of machines. So A, B, C, X and Y. A department horsepower of machine is 75. B department it is 30. C department it is 25. X department it is 10 and Y department they are not using any type of machineries. So 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 6s are 30. Then 5 15s are 75. So it will be 15 is to 6 is to 5 is to 2. So 15 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 will be 28 is the ratio. So A department, B department, C department, X department and Y department. A department it will be 600 into 15 by 28. 600 into 15 by 28 will be 321. Next 600 into 6 by 28. 600 into 6 divided by 28 will be 129. Next 600 into 5 divided by 28. 600 into 5 divided by 28, it will be 107 rupees. Next X department, 600 into 2 divided by 28. 600 into 2 divided by 28, it will be 43 rupees. For Y department there is no any power distribution. So this amount we have to write it over here. 321, 129, 107, 43. Now last expense we are having, that is other expenses. So the other expenses will be on the direct wages ratio. The other expenses are 4,000 rupees. So here we are having other expenses 4,000. This is in the direct wages ratio. Here we know direct wage ratio, it is 9 is to 6 is to 9 is to 9 is to 7. So in this ratio only we need to do. If you add everything, it will be 40. So A department, B department, C department, X department and Y department. A department it will be 400 into 9 by 40. B department it will be 400 into 6 by 40. C department it will be 400 into 9 by 40. X department it will be 400 into 9 by 40. Then Y department will be 400 into 7 by 40. So the amount whatever you get, so direct wages is, other expenses 4,000, sorry. So 4,000, not 400, 4,000. So here you will get 900, here you will get 600, 900, 900 and 700. So that amount I will be writing over here. Now after that we need to add everything. That time we will get the total. So first we will make the total expenses, that is 1,600 plus 4,000 plus 240 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 600 plus 4,000. It is 13,040 rupees. Next here 960 plus 40 plus 400 plus 135 plus 321 plus 900, it will be 2756. Next 1280 plus 60 rupees plus 500 plus 90 plus 129 plus 600, it will be 2659. Next year 1600 plus 80 plus 600 plus 135 plus 107 plus 900, it will be 3422. X department 900 plus 80 plus 40 plus 400 plus 135 plus 43 plus 900, it will be 2498. Next Y department 700 plus 80 plus 20 plus 100 plus 105 plus 700 will be 1705. So these are the primary overheads. Now we need to do the secondary distribution. So they have told us to follow the distribute the department expenses to each. So we need to distribute on the basis of repeated distribution method. We'll follow repeated distribution method. First one will be particulars. Next we are having A department, B department, C department, X department and Y department. First always we need to write the primary overheads. Primary we have found out in our before table, that is 2756. B department is 2659. C department 3422. X department 2498 and Y department 1705. For this we need to first distribute the X department expenses. X department expenses, they are given as the percentage. Now let us see how to calculate that. So first X department, how much? 2498. So we need to divide among A department, B department, C department and Y department. 2498, write it common for all departments, into the percentage. Here it is 20% into 30% into 40% into 10%. So 2498 into 20% is 400, it will be 500. Next 2498 into 30% will be 749. Next 2498 into 40%, it will be 999. Next 2498 into 10% will be 250 rupees. So this amount we will write it over here. A, it will be 500. B column, it is 749. C department, it is 999. X, we have to minus this. So we have to minus this 2004 because we are distributing. Then Y department, it will be 250. Now we need to again divide this 1705 plus 250. Total it will be 1955. That we have to divide among A, B, C and X. So here we have Y department, that is 1955. That we have to divide between A, B, C and X. So 1955 into 40%, 1955 into 20%, and 1955 into 20%, and 1955 into 20%. So 1955 into 40% will be 782, and 1955 into 20% will be 391 and 391. That amount we need to write over here. It's 782, 391, 391 and 391. Here again we can find that 391 has come for X department. That again we have to distribute. So minus 391. So 391 we have to distribute among A, B, C and Y department. So 391 into 20%, 391 into 30%, 391 into 40%, 391 into 10%. So 391 into 20% is 78 rupees. Next 391 into 30% is 117 rupees. Next 391 into 40% is 157 rupees. Next 391 into 10% is 391 into will be 39 rupees. Now we have to distribute here, that is X department expenses only we are distributing. For A department it will be 78, B department 115, C department 157, for Y department it will be 39. Now again this Y department expenses we have to distribute among other departments. So Y department 39 rupees. So the A department, B department and C department we will be distributing, even X department also. So 39 into 40%, 39 into 20%, 39 into 20% and 39 into 20%. So 39 into 40% will be 15 rupees and this 3 will be 88 rupees. So we need to make 15, 8 and 8 and 8. Now again we got this 8 rupees, that again we have to distribute among other departments. So again we have X department expenses, that is 8 rupees. We have to divide among A, B and C. So we can divide it among 2 rupees, 3 rupees and 3 rupees according to the percentage. So 2, 3 and 3. This is again X department. So now we have to do the totaling. So here A department 2756 plus 500 plus 782 plus 78 plus 15 plus 2 will be 4133. This is the total. Next 2659 plus 749 plus 391 plus 115 plus 8 plus 3 will be 3927. Next in this column 3422 plus 999 plus 391 plus 157 plus 8 plus 3 will be 4980. Now they have told us to find out the hourly rate. So working hours. So what is the total working hours? In question they have given us the working hours. A department it is 3113, B department it is 2014 and C department is 2033. Now divide this from this, you will get the hourly rate. We will be getting hourly rate. So first let us divide 4133 divided by 3113. It will be 1.33. Next 3927 divided by 2014. It will be 1.95. Next 4980 divided by 2033. When you divide it, you will get 2.45. This is how you need to solve the problem. Hope you have understood how to solve this problem very well. If you have understood, please put in the comment box that you have understood how to solve this problem. If you have not understood, any doubts is there, then please put that doubts also in the comment box. We'll try to respond to your doubts as soon as possible. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because whenever I post the new lecture videos, you will automatically get the notification of that. Thank you for watching the video. In my next video, I'll come back with the more problems. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.